Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As a parent, you can't access the classroom itself, but you can sign up for summaries about what is happening in the class, announcements from the teacher, and upcoming assignments that are due. To learn more about these Guardian summaries, click here. This should also help explain how to access the summaries.
Let's help you make your mark.
To use Classroom with students at a school, the school must sign up for a free G Suite for Education account. You don't need to have Gmail enabled to use Classroom. However, if your administrator hasn't enabled Gmail, teachers and students won't receive email notifications.
Take our lead.
The student can open the assignment to view their grade and/or comment. Students can also open the assignment to make changes and then resubmit it to the teacher. As the teacher, your class stream will keep track of who hasn't completed an assignment.
Take our lead.
When you invite guardians, they can't see the stream, classwork, people, or grades pages. Instead, guardians get an email summary of their students' work. They get information about missing and upcoming work and class activities. For more details, go to About Guardian Email Summaries.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.